Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to deal with your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra hidden while charging. So it's normal if you're charging your device using fast charging. If it overheats during fast charging, so if you're using a charging brick that is fast charging and you have some problems with it, well, it's gonna be normal, although you may want to disable the fast charging if that's what causes the issue. But remember, your tablet will charge slower. But you may want to go to battery, then go to charging settings and disable fast charging, or enable it if it turns out that it didn't fix the issue. Now, but you know, it is normal because there's more power going into your tablet, and it may cause that. But sometimes there may be some other issues, like for example, if there are some background apps on your tablet causing heat and high power consumption. So also go to settings, go to battery, and then go to usage. Now you'll see different apps here, and you'll see that like if I go to any app of those, let's say if an app uses too much power, of course my One UI Home, which is my home screen, like I can't do anything about it. But if there is an app like Instagram or stuff like that uses too much power, just an app that you've installed yourself, then you can click on that and look into that. And you can see in background how much it uses. You can see here in background it uses 1 hour and 57 minutes, which is quite a lot. And since I can't do anything about my home screen, I won't do anything. But if there's any other app that uses too much background power, then you can go actually to background usage limits in battery, and then find sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps. Sleeping apps will only refresh sometimes in the background, and deep sleeping apps won't run in the background at all. Now, what is important is that if you are running some apps that you need notifications from, then you need to decide whether you want those notifications on time. If they can be delayed, then feel free to put that app in sleeping apps. Click here, then click on plus and select the app that you want to put here. Now, if that app is something that you need notifications from on time, then I wouldn't put it in sleeping apps. And if that app is something that you don't need notifications from at all, then you can go to deep sleeping apps. And now, if you put an app here, it won't refresh in the background at all, so the app will only be working when it's enabled. Yeah, you can try doing that. That should help. Also, make sure that you're using an original charger and cable. And original, I don't really mean it has to be from Samsung, because no, it doesn't, but from a reputable brand, so it doesn't cause any problems with irregular output power. And you know, if the output power is irregular, your tablet has to deal with it. And how it deals with it, it equalizes it by producing heat. So yeah, if there's too much heat, then you should try getting a different charger from a genuine brand. Now, also it is worth avoiding using your tablet while charging, for example, especially if you're gaming on your tablet while charging, because it uses a lot of power, and at the same it inputs power. So if you do both at the same time, it simply produces heat, because both of those actions, like charging produces heat and gaming produces heat. So if they are both combined, they will produce heat even more. But also some other software like photo editing software, video editing software, some 3D modeling software, or any stuff like that may produce some heat. So if you're charging and doing that at the same time, then I would expect the tablet to get hot. Now also it is worth, if you have any case on your tablet, if it's thicker, then you may want to remove it to improve heat dissipation, because cases may cause that. And also it's worth charging your tablet in a cool and ventilated area. Never charge your tablet underneath a pillow or something like that, because it's always gonna result in your tablet getting hot. Like if you put your tablet under a pillow and charge it, it may even break. That's how hot it gets under a pillow, because it has no ventilation at all. And there's been like real cases of phones or tablets or other devices breaking or even exploding. So don't put it under a pillow. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.